just a heads up, this is going to be a quick video, and this is not going to be legal advice whatsoever.
Take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse.
You're probably on this video because of the coronavirus pandemic. Now, after collecting some information on the internet, these are your basic requirements for purchasing a firearm in the state of Washington. Be 21 years of age or older, be a Washington resident for at least 90 days, and for semi-auto rifles, you are going to need proof of certified training, and your background check will be more comprehensive. Not sure exactly what that means. After you go through that, you will have a 10-day waiting period. And if you have a CPL, that will not speed up the process whatsoever. So CPLs are completely useless in purchasing a firearm, and you do not need to have the volume on for this video whatsoever. In fact, you could have the volume off and just get this information. I'm only having this video this long for the people who think that
He said